ProEngineer Production Machining solution provides a set of NC programming capabilities that enable the manufacturing engineer to directly cut and shape product parts using milling, turning, and wire EDM. Some of the features and benefits are: it provides the functionality to create NC sequences from 2.5 and 3-axis multi-surface milling, including 4-axis and 5-axis positioning. Also supports 4-axis CNC turning and 4-axis wire EDM machines. The post-processing capabilities are included to facilitate the integration with all kinds of CNC machine tools. It also improved the consistency between design and manufacturing by keeping the associativity between the 3D product definitions and the manufacturing deliverables. Other benefit of this solution is the capability to automatically reuse proven and standardized manufacturing NC processes. I would like to extend an invitation to know more about this best practice. I encourage you to take a look at the ProEngineer product pages on PTC.com.